What do you think? They have like a red eye reduction on that.
Have I been on Ken about getting the kitchen done? Please, every day.
Oops.
I have like 15, 16 mountain files that are sitting in my garage that I don't know how to, I represent the title.